Okay, this is my 1988 Ford Mustang GT. Owned it since 1992. Let's see. Engine is a DSS 306 with a Vortech S trim, among other things. Cobra brake system on the front, GT brakes on the rear. Did the swap in 2002. Former 5.0 Mustang and Super Ford's feature car, I believe it was July 2003. It's now a stick. It was an automatic for a number of years. Yeah, I'll give it a little start. Needs a new accessory belt, making it a little chirp at startup.